All right, this is practice for lesson 2 for our financial literacy unit. And we are talking about saving money over time. And so this first part is you're just going to watch along with me because this is your little mini lesson. This is showing how you can save money over time. So let me actually get a highlighter for this part, okay? Haley gets a nickel on each Monday and each Friday in May. How much money will she get in May? Well, you're not going to ask you. We're going to write and draw how we can solve this problem. So first things first, I'm going to go through and I'm going to see, all right, I know she gets a nickel each Monday and each Friday. So I'm going to go through and see how many Fridays and Mondays there are in May. So I have a Friday, Monday, Friday, Monday, Friday, Monday, Friday, Monday, Friday. All right. So I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 Mondays and Fridays. And this is where we talk about repeated addition. And this is going to lead you into multiplication. But repeated addition is just taking that addition and it's over and over. So if you were doing multiplication, it'd be 9 times 5. But in reality, we're just going to count by 5s because she's getting a nickel for each time. So I can do this one of 2 ways. And the first way that I'm going to show you is I'm going to draw 9 nickels. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And each one of these represents 5 cents, remember? Each one of them gets a hair. Because remember, nickels just have 1 hair because a hair is worth 5. And I'm going to use a different color just so I can mark that out, okay? So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. You're going to learn when you get to multiplication that repeated addition is basically the same as multiplication. Multiplication is just a quicker way of doing it, okay? So I have 45 cents. Actually, Haley has 45 cents that she has earned. I've shown my pictures. So I have these pictures. I'm showing the value of the pictures. And then I'm adding them up to get my total amount. Okay. So let's move on to practice. Okay. So we're going to do 1 and 2 together. And then y'all are going to do 3 and 4 on your own. For mastery check, y'all are going to do 1 and 2. Okay, but I'll put that on the paper, but just so that I can review it with y'all so y'all can see what it looks like and have something to refer to. All right, for this lesson, we're going to do 1 and 2 on page 710. So Abby saves $2 each week. How much will she save in 4 weeks? So repeated addition, like I said, is the same as multiplication. If she has $2 a week by 4 weeks, that would be the multiplication problem. But we're not doing multiplication yet, right? We're learning about repeated addition and how that solves the same thing, okay? Or it solves it as well. It's just it's a longer step, and then that's basically what you're doing when you're multiplying. So when we have 2 times 4, so I have 2 4 times. I'm going to use my associative property to group them together. Now 4 plus 4 is 8. I'm going to make sure that I represent my amount with my dollar because I'm going to need to use a dollar because I have more than 100 cents. So I'm going to make sure that my dollar is there anytime that I'm representing anything that has more than 100 cents. And this is actually 800 cents, right? Because this is the hundreds place, tens and ones. Let me go back over here. Okay, good. I just wanted to make sure that I did the cent part over here to represent my answer. All right, number 2. Henry saves $5 each month. How much will he save in 5 months? Same thing, guys. This is basically getting us started for multiplication, but we're not solving it through multiplication. We're solving it through repeated addition, which is the same thing as doing 5 times 5. It's just a longer way using addition. It's kind of like our jumping point before we get to multiplication. So if I have 5 times, I could do this one of 2 ways. I could do it like I did up here where I added them up. I used associative property to group them together to make it easier for me, or I can show that I can skip count by 5. So remember, we do that with hairy money. So if I were to, sorry, let me make that cleaner. Okay, I can skip count by 5s on here. I'm going to change the color of my pen just so you can see. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. So we're talking about dollars, so I would have $25. Make sure when you're doing 3 and 4 that you are using your symbol for the amount of money, that you are using the decimal appropriately, and that you're showing your work. That's going to be true for 3 and 4, and also true for your mastery check. That is number 1 and 2.